Everyone, today we're going to be showing you this 2-pack of kids writing tablets. These are dinosaur that comes with a green and a blue one. And what I like about these is it has the pen storage in the back, so it's really easy for them to store. This is a great activity for kiddos because you can write and draw on them and do it over and over again. Up here at the top is where the button is to erase. If you don't want to erase something, there's this little switch here on the back to lock it. So if you are drawing on your board and you try to erase it, it will not erase until you take that switch and then erase it again. So, and like I said, I love the fact that you can just store the pen back here. These are great to take along with you to restaurants, to doctor's appointments, anything like that to keep them busy. It is screen-free and something they can use over and over, and you can easily pack inside of your purse or a diaper bag, backpack, anything like that. So thank you for watching. Bye.